Welcome. In this video, we'll go over how to resolve the issue of Messenger app not responding on your Android device. If you're facing this problem, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the unresponsive Messenger app. Firstly, check your connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. A poor connection can cause Messenger to become unresponsive. Make sure to update Messenger to the latest version available. Head to the Google Play Store, locate Messenger, and update it to ensure you have the most recent bug fixes and performance improvements. If Messenger is still not responding, try restarting your phone. Restarting your device can help refresh the system and potentially resolve any issues causing Messenger to be unresponsive. Next, close the Messenger app completely and then reopen it. Force closing the app and relaunching it can help kickstart the app's responsiveness. Ensure you have enough storage space on your device. Insufficient storage can impact app performance, including Messenger. Clear out unnecessary files to free up space. Check the permissions for Messenger in your device settings. Ensure that Messenger has all the necessary permissions enabled to function properly. Enable background data for Messenger in your device settings. This allows Messenger to run smoothly in the background and stay connected. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the Messenger app when it's not responding on your Android device. We hope this guide helps you resolve the unresponsiveness of Messenger. Thank you for watching.